Good afternoon. Uh, I'm Arthur Robert Carpenter, and electrical instructor. Today is Sunday morning, and I just want to share something with young people out there. I want to share the path that I took and the path that changed my life. I wanted to let you know that you can be great and you can find your path and do what you need to do to be successful. Well, I just want to talk about why you should take a trade and why I feel that it's so important that an individual that coming out of high school from some of the underserved communities should take a trade. Where I'm from, dreams don't always come true. Blueprints, college are too expensive. Fast money, too risky. So what's left? For too long, I've been told success wears a suit, but I know people who wear tool belts and own homes. Electricians, HVAC techs, welders making 30, 40, even $50 an hour. No debt, no degree, just skill. They ain't waiting on a handout. They built their way out. If you ain't lazy, you just ain't been shown the way. A trade is a ticket, a real one. After high school, take a trade, change your life, change your family's name. Because the system might forget your zip code, but the world never forgets the ones who built it. So, on that, I tell you to subscribe, like this channel, and let me guide you to a trade school to change your life. If it could change yours as it changed mine, DM me. If you want to be a skilled trade and you want to generate wealth after high school, let me know if you want my help. Just like and subscribe and just come on my channel and learn. This is Big Rob, the author, the electrical instructor.